Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can cancel the time off. If someone is asking you in BambooHR for time off and sadly you are not able to provide them with this opportunity and you need to officially cancel it, we can do it easily in this tutorial video. So on top right corner, you have this little shuffle with all the notification, let's call it inbox. And then we have couple of options. The last one is time off requests. So if you are in a position of adding or canceling or allowing or canceling the requests like times off or sick leaves, all we have to do is click on time off requests. And now you see all the requests that people sent you. For example, Maya and Jennifer and Matt King. This one I created in the previous videos. And you have two options, approve or deny. And you gonna hit that deny button. BambooHR is providing you with an option of explaining yourself. So you can do it. Sorry, we are understaffed, and post it, and just like that you canceled the time off. So that's about it guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.